Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I can speak English, ma'am.
As long as you know how to communicate, then we don't have any problem. Okay? Because if you don't know how to speak English, then better no need to come here because you cannot communicate with your employer. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am. I willing to come Malaysia.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Friends, ma'am.
Do you know which place they were designated?
No, ma'am.
Okay, always remind yourself that you come here to work properly, to sustain your family's needs. You're not coming here to find friends also, okay? You will go back, you will going to sign a 2 years contract alone and you will go back in the Philippines alone also, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
Are you sure that you are healthy?
Yes, ma'am.
If you are unhealthy, better stay in the Philippines, okay? So that you cannot give us problem also or a headache, yeah? Because
Yes, ma'am.
as we have mentioned, we don't want also trouble and you don't want also to have trouble, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
This is your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am.
No, ah.
I
So, okay, why did you choose to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore, Hong Kong, or maybe go in Middle East?
I choose Malaysia, ma'am, because I heard that Malaysia is country and no OFW abuse.
Okay, so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Good day, madam. My name is Mylene Dalawata. I'm 34 years old. I live in Cabdot, Pangyanglan, Sarangani, Philippines. I'm I'm married. My height is 5'1". My weight is 50, and I have one daughter.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you.
And my
Okay, so are you single or married?
married man,
When is your birthday?
July 20, 1990.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'1". My weight is 50 kilos.
What is your religion?
Christian, ma'am.
Okay, what is your educational background?
To graduate.
High school graduate. So you are married and you got one kid, which is 11 years old. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So who will going to take care of this kid once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My sister-in-law, ma'am.
Okay, what about your husband? How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband is Crisante Wata, and his profession is 41 years old, and he's farmer.
Farmer. So how many brother and sister do you have and what is your rank in your family?
My brother is 3, and my sister is 6, and I'm 7 in the family.
You are the same. So your sister-in-law will going to take care of your kid. How old is she and what is her occupation?
My sister-in-law is have a sari-sari store in the Philippines,
Okay, so in
and
your okay. So in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2014 to 2016 for 2 years as a factory worker. Is it? After that,
in
in which place in the Philippines?
General Santos Gintuna.
General Santos. After that, way back 2020 to 2022, you worked in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for 2 years and you finished your contract.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share it with me? What are your primary duties to your previous employment while you are working in KSA?
My duties and work in Saudi Arabia for 2 years, ma'am. I serve for family, all adults, and I'm all around except cooking.
You do
I
house
clean,
chores, laundry, ironing, and you take care children, is it?
ma'am,
So you only do house chores, laundry, and ironing,
and gardening, ma'am.
gardening. Do you have colleague in your previous employment? There any other helper there?
Yes, ma'am. We are three.
Three. Okay. So embrace yourself, okay? Once you come to work here in Malaysia, we don't want that you will going to compare the KSA and Malaysia, okay? So you might experience those unexpected things that you didn't experience in Middle East. So you know that being a domestic helper is you need to be multitasking, you need to be flexible. There is no such a thing that you will just do house chores only inside the house. If there is any elderly, any children, you need to assist them also. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
No, ma'am.
Sorry?
No, ma'am.
You are not okay to take your children or any baby?
No, ma'am. Because I'm willing to take care the elders.
Okay.
Elder.
So, you okay to take care elderly? Are you okay
Yes,
to
ma'am.
caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Filipino food only, ma'am.
But are you willing to learn new recipes? Like, are you willing to learn how to cook Malaysian foods, Indian foods?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to learn.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am. But small dogs and cat.
Okay. You will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only. And then you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going only to stay inside the employer's house. If you will work, then employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with these rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure that yes? Because once you come to work here in Malaysia, if you ask permission with the employer, we will not allow you to go out also. Okay? Because we will going to adhere with the rules and regulations.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, ah?
Yes, ma'am.
As long as you are agree, then you can come. We don't have problem. Just don't give us any trouble. But if you disagree, it's okay also. Better stay in the Philippines so that you cannot give us trouble. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how do you normally fight your homesickness knowing that you are working quite far away from your family?
I handle my homesickness in Middle East. My previous employer, I pray to God that gave me more motivation to finish my contract.
Okay, so always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you know in the Philippines drastically down the government there. We don't have any opportunities but in other countries, right? For ASLA.
Yes,
Okay? So if you have given a chance to work abroad, then why not work properly, earn some money so you could send every month to your family because you wanted to have a better future for your children, right?
yes, ma'am.
Always remind yourself we are not micromanaging here, but we are just telling you the reality of working here in Malaysia. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So don't bring the attitude in the Philippines. We can do whatever we want in the Philippines. We can be the boss there, but we need to humble ourselves once we come to work in other countries. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Respect the employer, follow the rules and regulations. If any problems, any concerns, we always remind that you need to inform your employer because you are the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay? Thank you so much and
Thank,
have a good day.
thank you so much, ma'am, and have a good
Okay,
day.
bye.